Hello everyone, good morning student. Today we will see the SPM subject. SP Secretary of means unit number 5 deposits. Topic number 5.1 introduction. Accepting deposit from the public and from the own members is the one of the sources in the rising funds is the company. It is the cheaper of the rise in the fund of deposit. Moreover, there is no delegation of control. It is also of types in the short-term loans. Take the companies. However, accepting deposit can be risk option in the company in case of difficult repaying the deposit. Meaning and definition of the public deposit discussed chapter number 2. The chapter in the law which of the companies collect of deposit from the condition and fulfillment of the procedure collect deposit the member and publics. Acceptance deposits for a banking company, non-banking company and finance company NBFC, the housing finance company and others such of the Company Act, central government of the Pacific of comply of the provision section 73 to 76 Company Act 2013. The Company Acceptance Deposit Rule 2014, the Section C, the Director issue of the Reserve Bank of the regarding acceptance deposit. The acceptance deposit in the two types. The first, accepting deposit. The first from members. From members. Second from public. Publics. The first three types in the from members in the deposits. Private company, second public company, and third eligible publics company. Eligible public company. The second from publics, eligible public, eligible public company, and second government company. Government company with the part of two accepted deposit members and publics. The first, private company. A private company can be accept deposit from the members and director of the relative in directors. Second, public company other than the eligible of company. Thus, company can accept deposit from the members and directors. Third, eligible company of publics. Thus, the company can accept a deposit from their member as also the publics. The eligible public company means of the company having first a net worth of the not less than the 100 crores rupees. B. Turnover is not to less than the 500 crores which of the obtained in the approval has the shareholder for the specific relation acceptance deposit of the publics. The second, term and condition of the acceptance deposit. Amount of deposit, private company, public company, and eligible company. The first, private company. T and C. Term and condition of accepting deposit. The first, private company. Second, public company. Third, eligible public company. The first, private company. A private company can accept deposit from the members and directors. Relative of the directors not more than the 100%, the aggregate paid of the share of capital from free reserve. However, certain in the clause of private company specific of the Company Act, they can accept deposit more than 100% in the aggregate paid of the share capital and free of the reserve. The second, public company. The company cannot accept deposit face of the deposit member in the amount of such deposit together. Provided deposit exceed 25% aggregate paid of the share capital free reserve of the company. The third, eligible company of companies from members and from publics. The members cannot accept trace of the deposit amount such of the deposit together which of the provides deposit except the 10% aggregate. The public company can be 25% aggregates. Third, paid of the tenor and deposits. No deposit can be accepted of the renewal which of the repaid within the period of 6 months more than the 36 months. In certain of the criteria, the company have accept deposit repayable eraser of the 6 month meet of the short term needs. Such deposit have a tenor in minimum month of the amount in the such of deposit cannot be more than 10%. The aggregate paid of the share capital free reserve of company under the certain criteria in the required in the depositor company of the parameters repayment of the deposit company may be also the deposit of companies. The parameters in the company deposit of the renewal in the such of the depositor. Number third, no demand deposit. The company cannot accept a renew deposit in the repayable of demands. The fourth, secured and the unsecured deposit. Secured and unsecured deposit. The company can be, third topic, no demand deposit, and fourth topic, secured and unsecured. Secured and unsecured, the company cannot accept the unsecured deposit which of the should clearly mentioned in circulation and advertisement investment of deposits. The other of the offer in the secured deposit have a certain change of the tangible accept and accept of the asset 30 days, the accept of the deposit. Number 5, application form. The company has a provided in the application form should be certain of declaration. Applicant and the deposit making the not to made of the any company borrowed from the another person. Number 6, joint names. The company can accept deposit to join of the name company deposit, but there should be more than 3 names. Nominee nation. Every depositor at a time and the right of the nominee at the person of nominee at the even date of the depositor. The circulation of advertisement. If the company and depositor in the member of the issue circulation but invite the depositor public company and issue of the advertisement. Number 9, appointment of the depositor trustee. When issue of the secured deposit eligible company, the public company have a appointment in the more than deposit trustee. The trustee protect in the interest of the depositor can be deferred repaying depositors. Then lead of the sign of the 7 days. Number 10, credit charge of the accept. The company accepting deposit, secured deposit, the public within the 13 days of acceptance has the credit in the charge of the tangible asset from the amount in the amount of the depositor acceptance. Number 11, deposit insurance. The company need of the take deposit insurance the list of 30 days before issue of the circular in advertisement. If the amount of the deposit plus interest in the sum of the 20,000 rupees instead of the taken, the obtaining the credit of retaining. Every company has to get of the credit in retaining of the deposit in the include of the retaining circulation advertisement. The credit rating and the agency consider of the width of the company, liquidity position, liability, redeposit of the times and acceptance. Number 13, open the deposit or repayment reserve amount. Number 14, deposit of the receipt, registration of deposit, return of the deposit and interest. The 70th topic. Number 18, write of the alert in the term of the condition, disclosure of the financial statement and punishment of the other factors. Today we will see the term and condition of loans, the receipt and depositors of companies. Tomorrow we will see the company condition and term of the procedure of the activities. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.